again for joining me today. We're going to be using our Distress Oxide. We're going to use Blueprint Sketch today. So, inking up. And starting at the base of the card, I'm just going to sweep that up the page like so. Just keep blending over it. Okay. Now all I'm going to do now is just flick some water over the base of the card and then slightly up the page. And where you put the water, it will start bleaching out that colour. So just grab yourself a tissue, bit of kitchen roll, and then just dab it off. And that gives us a really nice textured background. And if you want more colour bleaching out, just add some more water and repeat the process. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little bit of a dry. And then we're going to be using our Foxgloves there. So, I'm going to stamp up in blues, I think. So, taking this one, the larger one to start with, let's give that a press down, and then picking one of the blues, I'm just going to ink up and pop that down. Okay, and let's just do another one down here. And then moving on to the Warm Breeze. And then we'll change to the smaller one. And then lastly, we're inking up in Paradise. Okay. So I'm going to be using our worded stamp, and I'm just going to ink up and just pop the words along the edge of the card just to give a hint of texture along the edge. So again, I think I'm going to use the Warm Breeze because that's quite a nice subtle blue. I am going to take a little bit off. And again. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay. So taking a smoothie, I'm going to work my way around the edge of the card. And we can always pop a little bit of acetate over the top there to create our moon or sun, and I'm going to go around the edge, starting from the center and then just flick out all the way around the edge. Like so. And of course, if we want, we can add a little bit of yellow to the center there. So just using the very edge, I'm just going to very lightly just dab. I just want a hint of colour. Yellow's quite a nice colour to go with blue. It's quite a complementary colour, so it works well. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to dot up from the flower heads. And then using our turquoise glitter, turquoise and green, this is quite a nice combination. The finer glitter is the turquoise, and then we've got a coarse glitter. I don't know whether you can see that under the camera. The coarser glitter is the green, but they work really well together. And then you can just see there, hopefully, that little bit of glitter. So a really nice, quick, simple card with those really lovely words. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Take care and see you very soon. Bye for now.